In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your ignition coil boot on your Chevy Colorado. It's located under the hood. Let's start by using an 8mm socket and removing the accordion side of the airbox. Loosen that clamp. Then remove the other end, and that's going to just get this out of our way completely. You're going to have to finagle it around all this to get it out. Using a 10mm socket with an extension, I'm going to take out this bolt and this one. Remove this clamp, holding the throttle body accordion to the intake. And now you're going to push it off. Once you get it started, you're going to pick this up. There is a hose underneath here that you're going to want to disconnect right there, and that was attached here. Set that aside. Using a 10mm socket and a swivel with a 1/4-inch ratchet, I'm going to loosen up this bolt. You can remove your bolt, set it aside. Now we're going to disconnect our connector. To do that, you're going to pull out this lock. If you can't get your lock out, you can use a flathead screwdriver and gently push it out. And then you can push in on that tab. And remove the connector. Set that aside. And now we're going to pull up on the coil. And take it out. We're going to remove our boot. Remove your boot. Put your spring in. Install it onto your coil. And after you're done, you can put some dielectric grease. A little bit right there, take the excess off. And now we're going to install it. Feed the boot through, line it up with the spark plug, and push it down. Now you can install your bolt. If you can, get it started by hand. The procedure will be the same for the rest. Once you got it hand tight, you're going to torque it to 89 inch-pounds. Now let's connect our connector. Make sure you hear that click and lock it in place by pushing down on that white lock. Let's put this back on. Gonna line everything up, get that hose going underneath. sure everything feels like it's connected. And now we're going to tighten up these 2 hose clamps, or just one if you only loosened one. Just making sure that one's tight. Now we're going to put our bolts in. Now you can put this on. You're going to want to line up this tab first, getting it on. And when you do that, it will line up properly on this end. Now you can put your hose clamps on. This hose clamp has a notch in it. Make sure it's lined up properly. And this one does too. Now let's tighten it up.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.